Cape Town, South Africa. Welcome to Cape Town, South Africa, a city where the past and present blend seamlessly. Nestled between the iconic Table Mountain and the azure waters of the Atlantic, Cape Town is a place of breathtaking beauty and deep historical significance. Join us as we journey through the rich tapestry of Cape Town's history, from its early days to its vibrant present. The history of the city. Our story begins in the distant past, long before European settlers set foot on African soil. The region was home to the indigenous Khoisan people, skilled hunters and gatherers who thrived in the diverse landscape of the Cape Peninsula. For thousands of years, they lived in harmony with nature, leaving behind a legacy of rock art and cultural heritage. In 1652, the course of Cape Town's history changed dramatically with the arrival of Jan van Riebeeck and the Dutch East India Company. Tasked with establishing a supply station for ships traveling between Europe and Asia, Van Riebeeck's small settlement marked the birth of Cape Town. This fledgling colony quickly grew as more settlers arrived, bringing with them new crops, livestock, and architectural styles. However, the expansion came at a cost. The Dutch settlers clashed with the indigenous Khoisan people, leading to conflicts and displacement. Despite these challenges, Cape Town flourished, becoming a bustling port and trade hub. The city's strategic location attracted settlers from various parts of the world, creating a melting pot of cultures and traditions. By the 18th century, Cape Town was a thriving colonial outpost, characterized by its picturesque Dutch-style buildings, vibrant markets, and diverse population. The city continued to grow under British control after 1806, further shaping its unique character. The abolition of slavery in 1834 was a significant milestone, but the legacy of colonialism and segregation persisted. The 20th century brought profound changes to Cape Town. The implementation of apartheid laws in 1948 led to widespread racial segregation, forcibly removing non-white communities from their homes and relegating them to distant townships. District 6, a vibrant multicultural neighborhood, became a symbol of this tragic displacement. Despite these dark times, the spirit of Cape Town's people remained unbroken. The city became a center of resistance against apartheid, with figures like Nelson Mandela inspiring hope and unity. Mandela's release from prison in 1990 marked the beginning of a new era, culminating in the establishment of a democratic South Africa in 1994. Today, Cape Town is a city of contrasts and resilience. Its skyline is a blend of historic architecture and modern skyscrapers, while its streets echo with the sounds of diverse languages and cultures. The city's natural beauty, from the iconic Table Mountain to the pristine beaches, continues to captivate visitors from around the world. Why you should visit Cape Town. So, why should you visit Cape Town? Here are just a few reasons. Breathtaking natural beauty. From the towering Table Mountain to the stunning beaches of Camps Bay and Clifton, Cape Town offers unparalleled natural landscapes. Take a cable car up Table Mountain for panoramic views or hike the trails for a more immersive experience. Rich history and culture. Explore the historic Robben Island, where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned, and learn about South Africa's journey to freedom. Visit the District 6 Museum to understand the impact of apartheid on the local communities. Outdoor adventures. Whether you're into surfing, diving, hiking, or cycling, Cape Town has something for every adventurer. Explore the rugged coastline, dive into the kelp forests, or go on a safari in nearby reserves. Warm and welcoming people. Cape Town is known for its friendly and diverse population. Experience the warmth of South African hospitality as you interact with locals and learn about their stories and traditions. Unique wildlife. Visit Boulders Beach to see the famous African penguin colony, or take a trip to the Cape of Good Hope to witness the rich biodiversity of the Cape Floral region. Cape Town is a destination that promises unforgettable experiences and memories that will last a lifetime. Cape Town is not just a city, it's a story of survival, adaptation, and hope. From its humble beginnings to its status as a global destination, Cape Town's journey is a testament to the enduring human spirit. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering.